For 3 days, and Obuasi Slɛpt and the headmaster are trending on social media, and they are trending for all the wrong reasons. Now, many will aid in coming, and Rantia in Sia, Omunim say, almost spearheaded demonstration against the headmaster and the post for and Sakamo. Nothing so no, or deposed for any kind. Ako Bush and no more leggy say, headmaster Zach. A year rituals I will see Akola with the bare 4 months. A one walk the post for now. Post for so no 81 dances say it shows like something has been dark from the place. And look at that, there have been allegations against the headmaster say on Sabi on Kola the Dow school one Nebsia. Some allegations we anything say Pina Eba and I'm no say and conform we victims to this incident. And I say and conform a much say headmaster way a form abedin come. I don't know. But now it looks like say I'm for this money and check no matter the investigation our headmaster and them you menstrual part them no abra headmaster into yes only yere. I don't really believe what these people are saying until say he will prove say they are right and I said they are wrong. But this is what is trending on social media. A man didn't come fucking. Now I don't even so I'm making a reaction to these allegations. Please subscribe to my page and also press on the bell. Send me upload on sa ebitimaka. Audios.
Allegedly, Susuyeno, they send a baba catching a headmaster no. A for ne nada. And no dink Simona no. See audio way, me sign abahomaso. Na mane kwabna eji abedin komoti we mame.
Headmaster friend when you feel one say me meje plastic kobo nsi mbrenenti me call na catch me say ma me shoe me call na what to me right inside not to me na me yem sheshe me na me shoe and also me say Obuasi me say ade me shoe na me say that be no say ni papa ne me ma me shoe name o me nyam say fie ni pa and I ha give me now say osma me say me kobo nsi mbra me call by na osusu me ma say o me mi amti yes to ma me shoe na me catch and say senior house mistress are frame me by na madam name frame me they my excuse is they be meeting me AP I'm catching say senior house mistress name frame me no say okay say me ba me catch and say ono ne ho na me ba dia me nko e na me ko e me 2 days time and also afraid all perfect you both staying it's now house for na you ni woni e ko town e train us afraid say Obuasi say Argentina yekoye nkuta any tangible is na is yet na yepi embof ebo 5 e ma obi ampie bi nti ye no no catch mo makani na se mo nkoneka me ne girl obi muslim e ka me na me catch and say e ko mo de me pese me ko did not say me did ya me sam brand me ko na me buy na girl ne paper ne form no e no catch me say me nko serve food by na me sure nti all na me intime serve aduane na me ka twen say me intime serve and o my girl ne be serve man si girl ne serve man no say girl ne nko na me mentu ade na o ye ne so na girl ne ko ya na okoto ne do ni the mirror on him so now push morning coat on sheshe awasi morning coat ne nko and o lucky do no man me che say me ntina so me tina so na or then the night it's all me so no day the night back on so to the table so okay me say me massage in 9 man into me and in na me shoe and I say me nimi into person try me style me and and I also me 9 now or try me style me man see na me see okay me hu and na me man na I say me fan question na e ho na ele ya ti me dey question na me and na I say me nche oba no ko fa oil pink bi buy and all the go me say me fan chichen e be mama na ti me dey chichen e be mama no say me massage in this man na me see okay na me man na me sure because also nipno ni na me nim say me ka say me nye bia obey ni bibia na society me di hu na me area na me yo we no within 10 to 15 minutes and I will release no man sure me say and no man 50 cities say my main country will be and I say me call outside and my main country will be anti and the chin outside frame me beside me say me country will be and I say that be my country will be and also my 50 cities say me fan koto apo man by me koto by na you go forward if you don't see me fan ko be ba beji or meji bio and according to your house preferred back on so am the main one or say wa ko ni fie on by one card the end by a free did na ko ni fie on say of friendly bia this will be canon yes I girl ni say o sure no quite me ko Master, tell me I'm one man no affair me sir. Na go friend ka say master I don't know affair me sir. Say that could that me class me ko ye na start take a try me say me ko ba me okay ne kitchen no ma no. To me ya so obeso me china. O so me sisi and was so cancer me chemo na me ya dey na no meaning say school me and no authority pan say no say do be kana ye be ye no say no say na member no adam kwat na omo living room or stuffing table on me kwat na no so terrace no say metana na so ofen no start me am no de ne say wo ma say no yi me no for na wanom na make a chance master my patron Miss Salamin to me your son or so and may have sex. I miss master patron my period means to me no so okay. My car what's no need quite for Bethlehem. Na man say na me catch will be and as me will be tia be me up quite be swage me di. So I'm pekwan bi so na yenyi media do obeye me a school na kasa me am ntimi nko na obeye me na even kwa me catch your house be stress obem so ba pass mama nti sa dia mental dia me waka na snam ne nyana be bia so ntwa so catch them to say mo kwa no flem feel so yes I dey no what dey bia wa flem dey bia wa flem so ya to be bia no ko to be bia no kwa Osai and I say I do not consistent and then can na consistent no my chance and master picture then I say I'm now on my patch now but no I also with the work can go by me sure say can to balance you nti ade wa ye me krampa mama so me person me jai school kwat na fiempo yes I the work no no to me anje de bia no tete no man go for flame okwa no so na okachile me pese me fiempo me pese na school bi
mo de me se papa we me kasa me kama na papa we amama be hunu school ma school Paris na me nam ho na me nam ko he na metimi su ni na metimi su papa we timi ya try do back class ba catch ni say an me de won bo me ne adade me say me te class papa we timi frame staff in office me nkwa ta frame ne be ma ne kwate say kakra kani ni wa ji ne kwate oji am say me say de ka kitikiti bi ka me de ne kwate ko shama no me hwe and I'm said damn patcho mean to me me catch me papa me ko catch me papa me catch me papa system papa obetu bofo ne chiame fo na aba ha no mo anwe dwuma de bedun na ye madam ka say me ntwa so de we am papa say we di bere no papa say me ye ohene ne me ko kasisi e de asem na be bere school no mo ye twa asem ne so na madam Miriam na ente sa na den de hallelujah mo de yam emla bi me hu education office for ba school won be frame me ye video to Toma no am ka say me we school krom
me we school Obuasi sectech mini madam Mario or madam Miriam no Alibawa then time you na your time no senior house mistress minim hallelujah na waka no we a voice audio of a student of last year in a real school sectech me videos no audios na about basics na me be boni nyina in my next video ameye we number 1 mon counting it down
school high school senior high me pacho o be kana asem
some waka for headmaster yin
me ma be duafo na wa ha yen san to do be bia me pacho me ho me nsa every
me am personal experience how
one personal issue one personal problem no ba be ka me pacho and anase me ma nkasa to asoma me
okay pacho me da asepa me pro be alive with that but ene me wo honom na o target da papa we say o man o me work class de o munim me class mate for the o target me videos ni ade bebre Papa we ba school ho fine obeye.
Eba se o mu se enye ntwa to so bi na ara o ba be
kan. Ntwa to so na me be twa to no so me ka Nyankopon hata so.
Me ba o na so di ni eden.
Me din de Evelyn Adom. Na me wo house.
Evelyn Adom so pay Evelyn. Ebe wo commercial chinase amma me hu se matro yes. Se munim Evelyn apa. Mami hu se matro yes e wa ha.
Me ntwa Toronto ne so da.
Sana mama Evelyn Adom aka.
Spice hwene ya to so hwe.
Okay.
To Ghana for better to brutal.
Omo mo to yes ni da omo bua.
Omo bua. Na mo house 6 me ntwantro me certificate ade nyina ho a na eche se me prefect obi a 2020 badge house 6 ano ye boa house me na me house prefect me na papa yi ba ye no obefa me se ne ba and eniema be brace to see ye wo class a no asoma me abefrɛ wo be kono sebi ne office o osisuso mi
pause
hey
Nana
kasa
Nana
Manen kasa wae manen kasa ne entie bi
Zama sheshe mi pacho Baby ade ne kono
ano de na one thing a woman me so brother sneak recorders am wada ma
you recording for your radio
and then ni mo be ni baba ya baby already I personal experience
mi pacho
me chantro
anyone media me nana ye ni ma baba yo baby a
me ne ya adwe
ye ni ma baba wa yo baby a me de me san me ho me papa me ho manim tuntum na me da so yi e jere ni pa di emia mi ni ma baba wa yo baby a o obi se admin
hey unya se mo ma
ye ka se confirm me cancer ma han ko fa be cancer
manen kana asema yesa anya obia na wo data odi tie mu asema o
na wo yo be di konkonsa oni data be di konkonsa
na sinya high
na oni konkonsa na obe di data yeso pese e kansa mpa enti manen kasa ntam ye nye bi kawa na ye ko na
ya se mhwe hey unya se mo
me ba muni kakata mani asema na ababa wa na de ba no ase heat na no thing because
yeah di mi be jina bia meti me akasa because me jimi hu di sa asem na me kan ye no kre e na me classmate for home cons 2 for enim sa asem na me kan ye no kre e kwa papa na de ma fa so no se me kasa me kamanji antumunti atete e ne bro a odi ku mi ansa na me wie school ni na me nko anenim
o ye bia bo aye yes
so nyina akoso ana ma da so a
kodo
almost 1 year
kodo me
do di ba kono e bia aso ne dem ogusu di
kodo yisu no e da ho no ye GS na e wo ho no yisu ba ne ko di GS nsem ame ade me ni ho akwanya bia se be kwakwa se munya investigation na se munye se yisu ni ba ne na GS enkoto na nim di a ka be kwakwa bo mama na se yisu
wi se bi na bole de koto ni mu a opa yi
anu ti na me kan se cover up bi wom cover up bi na ma bo David Adam adini also o ma treating nkofo bi kwa so be transfer o ma free school but o ma nka o ma no antum with this issue a wonu so se bi o tijani a wo di ni pa de me che what ya se pa ni ya treating this ya be pound ni the whole constituency secretary entimu bi kodo e de na obeye Messi, kodo me throw challenge the amount say and somebody see no any one day issue accident Kenya me say records ni nyina wo ho kodo and somebody see no records ni nyina wo ho ada o mhia management committee school a o de asem no tu na nim papa ni gitu mu a wo yes wo head wo be me say records ni nyina wo the records are there enti ade a wo kasema records wo ho e ku be na wo ho betima mawo sam audio so a akoso a enema akoso wo kodo me say later on me do be kona investigation
it's a serious issue
akodo be bia sam na ankasa no wo ho ye kodu manu makrom na wo yi prebu wo kom isu na se me ada me betra ankasa ma minimo ho me ya baje san come comment the first na wo de na yesi so na ya no attribute this issue to for say no na me mani abre na isu a wo na da wanim na mo nsa so na facilitate di enipa de baaye boni kosi ana o pese o de ko she MC so na what one way katatu mu bu aso MC o say issue na wo police station no onya we say issue da ho
anyway
akwa na ko fa no o firi mi area about 15 side ho and o ma ba report case ni 2 rape case ba ko ka
inaction anama de sinisi why bizarre
So all the people are sure. Yes.
It's when you now call so anamada so
kodo
almost 1 year.
Kodo me
kodo di ba kono ebi aso ne dem obusudi.
Kodo issue no e da ho no. Ye GS na e wo ho no. Issue ba ne ko di GS nsem ame ade me ne ho akwanya bi ase be kwakwa se munya investigation na ase munye. Se issue ni ba ne na GS enkoto na nim di a ka be kwakwa bo mama na se issue.
GS e bi na bole de koto nim a open.
Anu ti na me kan se cover up bi wom. Cover up bi na mabɔ David Adam adini also o ma threaten nkɔfo bi kra so o be transfer o ma free school but o ma nka o ma no antum o this issue a wonu so se bi o tigani a wo di ni pa de me che what ya se pa ni ya threaten ni se be pound ni the whole constituency secretary etimu bi kodo e de na wo be ye me say kodo me throw challenge the amount say and somebody see no any one day issue accident Kenya me say records ni nyina wo ho kodo and somebody see no records ni nyina wo ho ada o mhia management committee school o me dey asem no tu na nim papa ni gi tu mu a wo yes wo head wo be me say records ni nyina wo the records are there enti ade a wo kasema records wo ho no eku be na wo ho betima mawo sam audio so a akoso a enema akoso on kodo me say later on me do be corner investigation oh
this is serious issue
akodo be asam na ankasa no wo ho ye kodu manu makrom na wo yi prebu wo krom isu na asia me ada me betra ankasa ma me nimo ho me ya ba say come in comment the for sina wo de na yesi so na ya no attribute this issue to for sino and na me mani abre na isu a wo na da wanim and na mo nsa so na facilitate di enipa de ba ye boni kwesi ana wo pese wo de kwese MC so na what one way kata mu bi aso MC obu say the issue na wo police station no onya we say issue da ho
anyway
akwa na ko fa no ofiri mi area
this happens to be a developing story every now and then be any information at Ebeto Bontin with regards to the headmaster FN Mr. Zach na fin so Obuasi Sektek ebusha mesro say wadwen chire bi a won obeja to a comment section dey amaye na yin hawa osifaje yensem na fin dey mo subscribe to our page and press on the bell. Sina ya Apple Bianca na unsa ebetimaka. Ba ma refi say open the best of gist a ya hana unsa ebeka no. Makara.